Hello friends, welcome back to News You Can Eat, where we step into the wonders of the culinary world and to expand your culinary repertoire. And we call this Quick Education on Culinary. In this episode, I'll be delving into the classic Demiglaze. Perhaps you have heard about it, one of the most important techniques in the gastronomy throughout the world. And if you're a fan of French cuisine, you're likely familiar with the Demiglaze. The sauce is a crucial component of many French dishes, providing a depth of flavor that cannot be replicated with other ingredients. Demiglaze is created by combining Espagnole sauce with brown stock and simmering it until it reaches a concentrated syrupy consistency. The resulting sauce can be used as a base for other additional sauces or as a flavor that enhances, for instance, meats and vegetables and all types of protein. To create a demiglaze, you'll need 2 quarts of beef or veal brown stock, 2 cups of Espagnole sauce, and that's a sauce that we're going to talk about in another segment. You need a bouquet garni, which is a bundle of fresh herbs such as parsley, fresh thyme, and bay leaves, and salt and pepper to taste to your preference. The steps is to combine the brown stock and the Espagnole sauce in a large, heavy-bottom saucepan. And the bouquet garni can be added, and then you adjust the taste with salt and pepper, as I said, to your liking. You'll bring the mixture to a first boil over rapid high heat, then reduce the temperature, and you go on soft simmer for at least 2 hours while occasionally stirring the content. The liquid will be reduced and thickened as the mixture cooks, resulting in about 1 quart of the demiglaze. So as you can see, there is a lot of shrinkage. Once the sauce has reached your desired consistency, you remove the bouquet garni and strain the sauce through a fine mash strainer or a cheesecloth, which is even better, and that will remove all of the solid particles. This will ensure a smooth texture and prevent the lumps or bits from ruining your completed sauce. Allow the sauce to reach the cooling room temperature for about 35 minutes or so, and then store it in an airtight container in your fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for up to 6 months. So as you can see, you can make it ahead of time because it is a lot of work, but it will last for a long period. Making demiglaze requires both patience and high-quality ingredients. Straining the sauce and avoiding over-seasoning are critical steps in achieving the perfect flavor. Properly storing your sauce in an airtight container will also help to maintain its freshness and its taste. Demiglaze has a long history in French cooking, dating back to the 18th century. Chef Auguste Escoffier popularized the sauce as a foundation for all sauces in classical French cuisine. Today, it remains a staple in French cooking, and of course, it is used in other culinary traditions worldwide, which chefs use to create flavorful and complex dishes. And if you want to take your French cooking to the next level, mastering the art of demiglaze, it's quite necessary. I want to thank you for joining me in this tantalizing exploration of the world of the demiglaze. As I have said at the beginning of this videocast, we'll add additional new information which are connected to demiglaze, like the Espagnole. Those are called the mother sauces. So keep your taste buds curious and your culinary adventures simmering. We'll reconnect on the next round. In the meantime, eat safe and stay well. Ciao, ciao.